Hi friends, it's time for our small group. Today we are going to talk about patterns and we're going to make some patterns. So first I want you to think about some patterns that you notice around you. I have a few examples here of patterns that I want you to look at. This is a picture of a peacock. And can you see the pattern in his feathers? Each circle has yellow, brown, blue, and then dark blue. And each one has the same colors and it repeats. Each circle, it repeats on his feathers. So peacock feathers have patterns. Here's another example of a pattern. Do you see all of the colors in this pattern? This is something that we see after it rains and the sun comes out. This is a rainbow pattern with stripes. So this pattern goes red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. And it repeats over and over. This is another example of a pattern. This is a cheetah pattern. And what colors do you see in this pattern? I see black and brown in this pattern, almost like spots. And then who knows, what is this animal? A zebra, good. And what kind of pattern is on a zebra? Black, white, black, white, stripes. So there's another example of a pattern. Now there's patterns on clothes. There's patterns in your home, like wallpaper could have patterns. You could have patterns on your furniture. Your couch can have a pattern on it. There are patterns everywhere. So right now for small group, you could use any kind of object that you can make a pattern out of. So today I'm going to use, which you can find in your yard, I'm going to use pine cones to make a pattern. So I have small pine cones and I have big pine cones. So I'll start my pattern with a big pine cone, then I'm going to do small pine cone, then I'm going to do big pine cone, small pine cone, big pine cone. All right, now let's say it together and see if we can think about what would come next in my pattern to keep it the same. Okay, so let's say it together. Big, small, big, small, big. What will come next? If you said small, you're right, because now my pattern repeats itself. Big, small, big, small, big, small. Or you could do a pattern that's a little bit harder and do too small, too big, too small, too big. All right, so let's say it together. Are you ready? I need you to help me to figure out what comes next. Here we go. Small, small, big, big. Small, small, big, big. What will come next? Small, small. That would make my pattern the same. Too small, too big, too small, too big, too small. Good. Now I'm going to do another pattern with you. And this has a card that helps me make my pattern. So in this pattern, there's two yellow bears first. So yellow bear, put it here so you can say yellow bear. What's next? Yellow bear. Then we have red bear. What's next? Red bear. Then we have another yellow bear. And then we have another yellow bear. So, let's say it together and see what we would put in this box to make the pattern stay the same. Ready? Yellow, yellow, red, red. Yellow, yellow, red. Good. And how would I keep going with it to keep it the same? Let's try it again. Yellow, yellow, red, red. Yellow, yellow, red, red. Good. So this is a pattern of colors. Yellow and red bears. Great job, friends. So you can use anything that you have at home. You can do a pattern of shapes. You could do a pattern of tree parts. Anything that you collect, you can make a pattern with. Okay, friends, have fun with this activity. We'll see you soon. Bye.